The Storm Kit by Thunder is a compact solar setup for your garden or balcony. The kit includes 2 or 4 lightweight, flexible solar panels which are really well made and honestly much lighter than you might expect. In the box you'll find everything you need to set them up. You could almost call it plug and play. You just position the panels where they get the most sunlight, so maybe attached to a garden fence or balcony and secured with the straps provided. Then connect the panel cables to the microinverter, attach your AC extension cable, and finally connect the other end to your home power supply by replacing an existing socket with the fused spur supplied. And that's it. You just need to make sure that the socket you're replacing is on a radial circuit and not on a ring main. In other words, it should be fed directly from your consumer unit. These sockets are often found in garages or gardens, and installing a new one doesn't take long. You can then track your energy generation whenever you like using the S-Miles app, which all makes the Storm Kit just a great fit for most UK gardens and even apartments with limited outdoor space.